If you guys are not focusing right now, you might miss out on what could be XLM's biggest move yet. And this sort of sets the stage for that particular outcome. PayPal plans to use Stellar for new use cases. On June 11th, PayPal announced plans to make the PayPal USD stablecoin available on the Stellar network pending regulatory approval by the New York State Department of Financial Services. And what's the stablecoin? Well, it's going to be called PYUSD. On Stellar, can be used for fast, affordable cross-border payments and expanded access to essential financial services while bridging the digital and physical world with a vast array of on and off ramps. Guys, this is huge, okay? This is the first time in a very, very long time that Stellar might finally have a real world use case by a financial behemoth. So if there was ever a cycle where this massive, multi-year ascending triangle broke out, it would be this one. And this target isn't going to be an ordinary one. We're looking at anywhere between $12 to $20 per XLM. And even if we take it to the modest $12 target, guys, that's a good 2,600% to the upside. So suffice to say, now is the time to be locking in. It's in market phases like this where the life-changing money is made. Now, the other day, I had an XLM hodler express his concern. He's like, Krisha, I don't know about these targets that you have, because all I see on XLM's chart right now is this major region of resistance at 63 cents. He said that XLM got rejected here on 2017, it got rejected on 2021, hell, it even got rejected in November. What makes you think it's gonna break this time? Why this time? What makes this time any special? Well, in 2017 and 2021, guys, we had already gotten the bear market signals. Okay, the market had already signaled to us via Bitcoin that, hey, things are going to be tempering off. So if you're looking to take profits, now might be the time. It's usually the altcoins that have the last hurrah. However, this time around, yes, inclusive of the previous rejection, we're still within the bull run, guys. The bull run is not over. We do not have the signal as we did in 2021 and 2017. In fact, to add to this bullish narrative, guys, Total 2, which is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, is currently inching towards a breakout. This is very, very important, because in both instances, in the cycle of 2017 and 2021, when this chart broke out, that led to the altcoin season. That's when XLM ran on both instances. Getting the breakout once again could solidify that reality this cycle as well. And not just that, guys, if you're looking at XLM right now, we have a cascading pattern play. A cascading pattern play that could actually take it up to that crazy bull run target that we highlighted. And in fact, guys, if you're looking at XLM right now, it is only showing us strength, and there is a very, very clear trade set up on here. In fact, just a couple of days ago on a daily video as well as the live stream, I gave you guys this red box as the bid zone, hinged off of that daily dynamic support. Okay, if you manage to catch your trade on that, guys, you are already up a good 12% on that trade. And let me tell you something, it's not over here, okay, because this has actually triggered multiple patterns as a cascading pattern effect. So this could actually be the beginning of something much bigger. Now, for those of you who actually want to take the trade on XLM, you're still on the hunt for a good exchange. Guys, we're currently using BitUnix and have been loving the experience so far. Okay, so I definitely suggest checking them out. And in fact, if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5K in deposit bonuses. Bonuses that can help you put on these trades. This is the kind of bonus that can boost your edge that much more in a bull market. So make sure to take advantage of it. Now here is the trade setup that I'm seeing in front of me. You see this bid zone that I've drawn out for you based on the daily dynamic that's been keeping all of us on the right side of many trades, not just on XLM. This is going to be the same bid zone. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take into account the position manager level. You see that start bidding zone? That's our position manager level. It helps you scale into your positions. And that right now is coming in at 43 cents. So the bid is going to come in anywhere between 43 cents and 41 cents. That is going to be our bid zone. The play that I see unfolding here, guys, is actually a bullish inverted head and shoulders pattern. And the break of this pattern is what takes XLM back up to that 63-cent region. Remember 63 cents, guys? Breaking 63 cents would be us breaking out of that multi-cycle ascending triangle formation, all the way anywhere between $12 to $20. And for those of you looking for further interim targets, well, in the last video, I did draw out this beautiful cup and handle formation. And that's what I love about the XLM chart right now, right? There are a lot of these milestone targets that, well, we can look towards to then look for the next milestone. Like, for instance, we have this massive cup and handle formation. And if I look at the measured move of this takes XLM all the way up to $6.30, which is still a handsome profit of over 10x. Based on this, XLM has a lot more potential on its chart. However, I'm always going to say this. I'm going to say it again over and over and over again. If you guys want to thrive and you want to stay profitable and you want to keep this easy and stress-free for yourself, okay, to do it the mango way, capture the best bids on the chart. All right, so right now that's falling on the daily dynamic, so do not fade that. Look towards the dynamic levels to capture your bid. Anywhere between 43, 41, going all the way down to 40 cents. That is your entire bid zone, guys. For those of you who want access to the Mango Dynamic Indicator, you'll find it on the Mango Way/dynamic. I'll be linking it down in the description below along with the bonus BitUnix link. Alrighty, now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.